Got really good food over there. Hello everybody. This is the Single King. We're gonna miss that Mirage volcano. Got really good food over there in the Fulton Street Food Hall. Damn, the smoke is thick in here. Smoky in here like cigarettes. You look good. Thank you.
And still not look at the same. That's what really fun.
We are at Harrahs in room 56056 in the Mountain Tower. When you come inside, you have one of those things where you can stick your card in there to keep the lights on. However, I want to let you know that we did not need to do that to keep our lights on. The lights just came on. When you come inside, you have a nice little foyer. Hello everybody. You have a gorgeous shower, and behind the shower or the door there is a spot to hang some clothes and put some luggage in the bathroom. This is one of those open doored showers. It comes with all your shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Has an adjustable rain shower head. Very nice. Clean and new. There's a towel rack on the wall. A couple plugs in the bathroom. There's a beautiful full-length mirror. This is the Single King Mountain Tower view. We're getting ready to check out. There are these two closets on both sides of the bed. It's very nice. Has like this leather background wall. There's closets. Plenty of storage space. Bedside lamps. There are some plugs on the side. They're way too close to the bed. So those didn't really work for me. And over here, same thing. Closet, you have an iron inside that closet. Nice little seating area. Cute little bench area. A desk that has a USB plug. And a nice cozy little chair. It's a little sketchy little chair. A huge, looks like at least 65-inch TV. You've got your safe down there and 3 drawers. There is no fridge in here. A lovely lamp. And then here is your view. Beautiful Las Vegas. The gorgeous Mirage. Treasure Island off there and to the right. We're gonna miss that Mirage volcano. Palms, Rio off in the distance. Caesar's Palace. The Link is next door. You can see Cosmo, Bellagio way down there. We have had an absolutely wonderful stay here at Harrahs and highly recommend this on your mid-price range on the Las Vegas Strip. Temperature comes down to a low. So that has been your Harrahs King room tour. If you like this, please hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Would you ever stay at Harrahs, or have you ever stayed at Harrahs? I really want to know.
Like how I have a pet peeve of, stepping in when people aren't out. You have a pet peeve of,
You realize that bridge, though, takes you right to that parking garage, right?
Yeah.
But we're going to Doggy Park. Cookie, did you enjoy your stay at Harrahs? Would you stay again? I think that's a yes. To the potty area. Cookie, go. Last night we left a little, nobody's found it yet. So if you're at Harrahs, there's a little dog park, there's the Uber pickup. We're 1 flight of stairs up where I'm standing right here. And right here, there's a little rooftop. And right there is a deck of Harrahs playing cards, NES slots, wristband, a Vegas to Cali sticker, be sure that you send me a comment or something when you find this up here at Harrahs. Have fun looking for that, folks. Alright. See? You can even see it right there. It's my 21st. Buy me a drink. Venmo Fatty Jacks.